Well, the sound thing happened again. So I'm gonna have to restart this tropical update. I mean, which sucks, but that's the way it is. I guess OBS sometimes is gonna do this, but it's 3:30 a.m. PST, October 28th, and Hurricane Melissa is moving northeastward towards Jamaica. It's probably about 6 hours away from landfall. Let's take a look at the 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time advisory. Still 175 miles per hour winds. Northeast east at 25 degrees at 5 miles per hour. 901 millbar pressure, which is 1 millbar stronger than Katrina, but 1 millbar weaker than Camille. Uh, it's 115 miles west southwest of Kingston, Jamaica. And this should continue up to landfall. This motion picking up speed. Um, yeah. Anyways, it had a 10 mile wide eye and very strong convection. Yeah, it's incredible. The same thinking we talked about last night applies. It will move into Jamaica, then in Eastern Cuba, then the Bahamas, and threaten Bermuda, and then become extratropical by 96 hours. Yeah, pretty much. Here's the track showing that. Here's the intensity. Clearly going to weaken. Major for maybe another 36 hours, and hurricane. So it becomes pretty much extratropical. As for Sonia, that system has strengthened a little bit, up to 40 knots. Has seen a little bit of convection, but conditions will become less favorable, and it will become shallow, and it will turn more to the west, as you can see. Let's show the satellite images this morning. Yeah, right there. You see that shear satellite running, boom. Larger satellite shows a pretty incredible storm. I mean, let's see what's being said, which really isn't much. I mean, yeah. I just made a 6 minute video, so kind of fucking sucks, but that's just the way it is. Well, this is this. That is the radar on my list. Showing another IWL measure about an hour ago. Pretty incredible the way this can do this. There's an earlier satellite image. Hopefully this one works, but it is visible when it becomes visible. You can clearly see the eye because that's the thunderstorms around the eye wall. There's the ECMWF showing spotting the path, which is pretty tight. Um, HAAF. Let's go to Zil Z. This is top. Let's see. Yeah, still shows it offshore. I doubt it, but now inland over Jamaica. Let's look at the GFS, which is just loading. Um, let's look at HMON. Which is just loading just Outlook. Well, that's a discussion for later, I guess. Absolutely incredible storm. So I guess we're talking more about more later. Hopefully everything works with the OBS. I mean, when it works, it's nice. But when it does, it sucks, and that's just the way it is.